Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to downgrade WooCommerce version. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to have your WooCommerce from in the first place, you will be needing just to go to the plugins and basically you will need just to click on add a new plugin and from there you will be able to have your WooCommerce. So basically from there, you will be able to only install and have the latest version of WooCommerce. But now that we want to have an older version of WooCommerce, we will be needing to upload a new plugin that will be the WooCommerce earlier version. So as you can see, I have already an older version of WooCommerce, and if I want to update it to have the latest version, I can just click on updates. And basically, all you need to do, just type old version WooCommerce, and from there, you will be able to find the WooCommerce releases. So here it is the developer WooCommerce website or official website, and from here you can have all the releases of WooCommerce. And all you need to do is simply to download the version that you would like. For example, you have already the version 8.7 and you want to downgrade to 8.0. So basically you will need just to click on this version and it will be downloaded as a zip file, and from there you will need just to upload it in your uh, WooCommerce. But first, make sure that you have deleted your previous WooCommerce so you can be able to add your new plugin. So basically, you will be needing just to click on Upload Plugin. You add the zip file that you have downloaded here, and you choose the file. You click on Install Now, and simply that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.